Let's analyze together hologram.
Let's see what's going on, MicroCloud Hologram. Welcome to Train HT. So, first of all, remember to read the disclaimer right here and also in the description below. Minus 4.32% just right now as we are recording this video, and the price is 0.2946. In the previous video, I think it was ranging between these levels of 41 cents and 30 cents, if I'm not mistaken. And we asked you the question, which direction do you think it will go? For now, it is at the lowest part of this kind of channels that we have right here, and it's approaching or it's trading inside this past level that we have right here with a rectangle where the price bounced the last time. So my question right now is, do you think this will bounce again from this level, or will they lose this support area? And how could it go, and could be the consequences if that happens? Let us know in the comments below everything you want to share with us, Trade HT. So let's go, HOLO Stock.
Subscribe to our Training T channel, and I gotta say, we are in a critical moment of this hologram stock, because the thing here right now is like, if they don't rebound, if they don't, investors, if they don't rebound the stock right now to make the 0.41 area like an achievable objective for the short term, it's gonna be complicated, because right now we have a support line, but if we lose the support line, we're talking about the 0.27 area, it's like something could happen, something that maybe investors won't like it, because the thing here, guys, we look at the long term, the long term price action for this stock, is like completely horrible, and if we lose the support level, it could happen again, based on past experience.
Yeah, the thing is, like, if we lose that level or the stock loses that one, that could mean something new for the stock, as we saw in the past, of course. But there is no price action around these levels, below this area of 0.27. So how do you think that could go if that happens? And if not, let us know the reasons why, and also what could be the price action that you have in mind. So, being this said, we have a lot of comments from the previous video. You really like this stock or talking about it, so we are going to read all of them. Do you want to comment anything else of the price action right now, Alvaro, or we go with the comment section?
Let's go with the comment section right now.
Let's go. Very interesting. I'm going to start with in random order. We have first one right here. Can you read that?
Let's see if I can read it, because I won't see it.
Michael or Michael Day. I pasted it in the daily time frame. I'm going to make it super huge so you can see that.
Now I can see it. Yeah, let's go.
All
Let's go.
right.
Wow, huge comment. Thank you, Michael
Yeah,
Day.
yeah. You can put it smaller. I'm wondering the same thing. I mean, in the previous video, we were talking about what was the price action in this video, and maybe he's answering a subscriber or an idea that was said right there. I'm wondering the same thing. This is a very unusual equity. I've never seen anything like that in all my years. Yeah, we were commenting like the price action is completely insane, mind blowing. You can learn a lot, but also it's not for everyone, of course. And I can count the years as far back as when the Dow reached 10,000. Wow, and that was a
Wow.
big deal. Oh, so you are an old school investor, we could say. On 8/11 of 2024, the company reported a significant drop in short interest. I would imagine the short sellers were nervous. If I were them, I would be too. Historically, this equity goes to the moon in August. However, the announcement of another possible split to come out of the meeting at the end
That's
of
the
this month,
thing.
yeah, appears to have them moving in for the kill, and the numbers don't lie, sorry. Short interest has gone up 25.62%. In its spike, two significant factors were consistent: low float and high short interest. So, where are my highly speculative, uh, DD oriented people out there? This afternoon, swap is showing 1,725 people waiting for Monday to buy at 30 cents. That's more than 86,000 shares waiting for the pre-market. I put in an order for another 500. Am I just gambling? Maybe, but I really want to know what my other highly speculative friends have to say. Wow, so thank you for that comment right there. Lots of information, we're going to talk about it. And you can answer Michael Day in that comment. Did you go to the previous Holo video? Or you can do it in this video, so if he sees this one, he will continue that conversation.
Yeah, but based, it's like, in my opinion, of course, it's like when you have this stock like funnel like a knife, it's very, very difficult to reverse the price, especially to do it by yourself, because in the end you need a lot of capital and to create like an uptrend like that, like the one we saw back in August, at mid August, it's like you need a lot of investors buying at some area. You even need like people with a lot of wealth, you know. But the thing here is like right now we are in the opposite direction. You know, we are going back from 0.77 to 0.29, and still, you know, right now in terms of technical analysis, it's good to buy at around this area, because if we lose the area, it's like there's nothing else. So this is like the last. It's like when you're trying to defend like I don't know, a castle from an attack. Is like the perfect scenario is to stay within the castle. You know, defending the last wall. You know, to be broken, and this is it.
Yeah, guys, how do you see that situation right now for HOLO Stock? And commenting another thing in the from Michael Day. Yeah, the thing that you compared with past price action, looking, that kind of back testing, showing that in August those spikes happened, is a very interesting perspective. So thank you for sharing that. And also how the short interest went lower, maybe because, as you mentioned, they were afraid of that spikes in the past. It's interesting, from the psychology of markets, we could say, trading psychology applied to the technical or the price action in this case. And also the thing with the meeting at the end of this month. So thank you for that comment. We will keep you updated about all the information that gets released about this stock. And if you share with us in the comments below, we can share it in the next video also. So thank you for that. And let's go with the next comment right here.
Yeah, we are watching right now, you know, the stock screener with the top stocks of Wall Street, and we are having here as well MicroCloud hologram, not in the best moment right now.
Let's go with the second comment right there. Eddie Cortez again, one of our top commenters. Thank you very much. Hello, amigos. A great video as always. My prediction for the week. Before the split, this baby's gonna complete a nice W formation and bump straight up to $1. Then it's a whole new ball game. If not, I'm gonna go dig a hole and bury myself. Take care, guys. Thank you again.
Oh
Wow.
my gosh.
Thanks for sharing
Don't
that
do
comment.
that,
Please
please.
don't do that. Yeah, whatever happens, don't do that. We need you in this
Exactly.
channel and your positive energy with us. But thanks for sharing your opinion right there again.
I mean, every bad experience is a good experience, you know? Even losing money is like probably the worst experience one could ever experience. But obviously, it's also a very good experience in terms of that you won't make a mistake twice. If you make it, okay, you have to look that, you know, in
Yeah,
detail, but
it's like you can win at least that experience is what we mean. So that's why risk management, in our opinion, is key, because if you blow your account in one trade, that's it. If you have the experience but you don't have more capital, you will have to gain it again or something.
exactly.
This is just our opinion right there. Maybe you see that differently, but of course, learning from every scenario, winning and losing is key in trading journey and in life also.
Yeah.
So let's go. Thank you, Eddie Cortez, for the comment again. Let's go with the next one right here. From Mark Courtney. Ah, no, sorry. This is from the previous video of Neo. Go check that out if you didn't. I visited that wrongly. Let's go with the next one right here.
Look at that.
Only, yeah.
Yeah, we have it right here, Bunny. LOL, the only news this scam CEO drops was RS. I don't know what what he means by that.
The reverse split. The
Reverse split. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, the thing is like the reverse split right now is the worst possible situation for a stock, you know? And right now, actually, we have Alt Alliance. Is like they even changed the name for the third time. Before it was Vietnam, and the stock splits are like a typical thing to do for companies that don't make profits, and investors pay the bill in that sense. So very dangerous situation when that happens.
Yeah, let's see how it goes. Maybe they have something in mind for releasing that information right there. So we will see how the price action goes. Thank you for sharing your opinion right there.
If you want to be happy, you can use it on TradingView Alt plus I, and you will have the chart inverted. So right now, look at the MicroCloud incredible uptrend.
Yeah, it's interesting, to see the different perspective when you see that at the upper part. Because sometimes when you see the price going lower, you don't see, or psychologically, you don't see it the same way as if you see a chart going up.
Exactly.
Because sometimes it happens. Some traders or investors are better buying or selling, depending on the case, because of their psychological frame, and you can change that perspective to see if you analyze both charts in the same way. If not, you have to look that, and trading psychology can help you in that way.
Yeah.
So
let's go to the comments again.
Let's go with the next one right here. From Michael Day, another comment right there. fundamentals are bad, very bad if you consider the negativity associated with self-driven vehicles, LiDAR technology. Still, the low float, yeah, let me read it right there,
Huge comment. Let's
and high
let's
interest
not.
is what sends their equity to the moon. And that is what is possible. I can read the rest from the split, in my opinion. Okay, so in your opinion, you think like the split could help the stock if I'm not reading that wrongly, but I think like the split would be like more shares in the market, so that could dilute the price, if I'm not mistaken. So how do you see that? If
Yeah,
we
look
are
at
not
that. It's like
interpreting the comment right, Michael, let us know in this video. So
yeah, and the thing is like the fundamentals look back, yeah, and look at the price action. I mean, it's just I love to see the, like the relationship they have, stocks between stocks and fundamentals. I mean, when they enter into losses, and then I'm talking about net income. It's like this for me is the best indicator. It's like do you realize that the price action normally follows that? So in this case, it happened. It's like one of the biggest examples that that you go, for instance, to the net income of this stock and look at the price action. We don't have much data, but obviously this incredible last quarter has been insane and the stock went down. But I think we don't have enough data. Actually, yeah, we have
yeah,
some missing
I
quarters right here.
yeah, I got what you say. I completely, yeah, I'm a little bit tired, so I mixed concept. Yeah, reverse stock split. The price goes higher, but the number of shares is few. Are fewer shares. So that could mean like, yeah, I understood that right now. I interpret it in the other way.
Wow, look at that. I mean, but it's just crazy anyway. You know what happened back in February 2024? It's completely nuts. I mean, the fundamentals look kind of horrible, and then a huge rebound. It's so insane. I mean, we're talking about 7,000%. Wow.
Yeah, it's completely insane right there. The price action of this type of stocks. Sometimes the percentage is different because of the stock splits, but volatility is for sure. So let's go. The next comment right here. Let me paste it very, very fast. From DBF. Good morning from Canada. There you go.
Hello.
Good morning or good afternoon or whatever time you're watching this from Trading HT, human Trading HT, honest traders.
Follow us on TrainHD to watch more content like this.
Let's go. Then we have another comment right here, and this one I think it's very important to talk about it. We already answered in the video, so we can paste it right here from Rango. I wonder if you are shorting the stock strongly, and the reason for that, how can you even upload a video after such declines? People here are losing tons of money, and you upload videos that add nothing and make the situation much worse. Okay, so we understand that you are not telling us this from a bad perspective, of course. This could be interpreted badly, but the first thing is like we are sharing this because this is being talked about in the markets. In Trading HTSO, we talk about the most popular stocks and those that have more interest. And in this case, if you're watching this video, we could ask the same. Why are you watching a video of this stock after such declines? And also, why do you watch the video? If it doesn't make sense, you wouldn't be commenting here. So reflect on that. We think it's interesting, to share information of popular stocks. And in this case, you commenting is something that, of course, you have interest in. And we are not sorting nor buying. We are not trading in any way these stocks. Okay, so that's something important to make clear because we literally don't care if it goes up or down because we are
Exactly.
not biased in that way. So we can just share freely our opinion and share with you that positive energy and positive vibes because we think that's the important thing of Train HT, to create this community and learn all together.
Yeah. Also, there is like important like insight. I would say is like when you're trading in the stock market, you have to use the money you don't need. So you trade in a stock like this, you shouldn't care about the money you're putting in that particular trade. Because if it does, that's a problem. I wouldn't do that, and that's a huge recommendation because for the long term, in order to make profits in the markets, it's like the fear of losing money normally makes you lose money. Obviously, if it's applied properly, it can prevent you from losing more, but you need to exactly understand the concept of risk management. Right here, obviously, in a stock that is making losses every year, it's not good. Why? That's one of the reasons we make those videos, to show you that information. Okay, we analyze the fundamentals, we analyze technical analysis, and maybe you see, okay, they're telling me it's going down because it does. I mean, that's the purpose of this video, to tell you exactly what's happening, even if you don't want to hear it, because that way you can actually have a critical mind, a critical analysis of the current situation.
It's like we just state the facts of this chart. Today is minus 4.35% when we record this. And we just say, what do you think about it? It's to kind of, as Alvaro mentioned, that critical mindset and share with us your opinion so we can also learn, because here I think we are all learners in this way. The
We all
trading
lost
journey.
money. We all lost money. I'm gonna tell you, I lost like I don't know how much. I mean, it was like 3,500 euros in one trade, and it happens. It was a stock like this. Even that, the fundamentals of that stock, it was way better than this, and still the stock is continue to go down. I learned a lot from that experience, and Enrique, I'm pretty sure you experienced something similar.
Yeah, exactly. And as we mentioned, the important thing in those cases is to learn from that experience. And if you have a community as TrainHT where you can share your ideas or how are you feeling, that helps a lot, because in our case, Alvaro and I, we were mates at the university and we could talk about these things and we could share those experiences. But if you don't have anyone to talk about it, and in this case, TrainHT offers that community space to talk about all these topics without being judged, because you can say buy or you can say sell, but we are not going to judge it. It's just your opinion, and you do you, and you will learn from that, either if it goes up or not. But the thing is, like, we want to create this space so everyone feels welcome and can share their free opinion and can, learn all together and keep growing as traders and humans. That's why the name is Trading HD, Honest Traders.
Honest traders, exactly.
Right. So I think this could be like a nice end to the video, but we have two more comments and we can do that to our subscribers. So let's go with the last two comments. The first one right here, very, very positive vibes right there from Juan Luis Alamo Garcia. This was from in previous videos you commented also. Thank you very much. And he's talking about his English is kind of bad, so he wanted to state the fact that we don't buy and share these HOLO stocks, that we just share the information that is in the chart right there and all the market comments that you let us know. And also, thank you very much, and greetings from Spain. Un saludo, un abrazo for you also. Thanks for that comment. Abrazo from Trading HT. And the last comment, Alvaro, you can read that right there.
Let's read it. When Lambo? Tomorrow. I'm gonna buy two.
Thank you, Maximilian, for that positive advice. Also, well, Lambo, we asked the same question. Let us know in the comments if you know when. Thank you very much. We really appreciate it.
We appreciate it. We accept gifts. We accept Lambos as a gift.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, exactly. You can decide when we have a Lambo, so we will accept it, of course. So thank you very much. We really appreciate all the positive feedback as usual, all the positive energy. Remember that we are here just sharing our time with you. And if you are happier after watching this video, if you had a great time, I think we completed our mission for today. Thank you. Train HD, let's go.
Bye bye.